We receive a card. We have a card from our neighbor. I just want to say, it's Tia and Theo. Thank you for being this neighbor to us. I hope you enjoy the flowers of us. Lots of love. Tia and Tia, magnana yan. With flowers. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan ang flowers. Oh. Ganda. Ayan siya. Ganda ng flowers.